So, what we're doing is putting all this stuff on us. And you see those birds? They're going to be eating off of us. It's going to be intense.
You've never done it before.
Nope.
So it's going to be legendary.
It's going to be memorable.
Okay, first, here you have to get on your bathing suit.
Oh, yeah.
First, we have to take off our clothes.
Intense.
First, we have to strip. Okay, wait. Am I taking a video?
I'm uncomfortable with stripping in front of the camera.
Okay, fine. I like birds. Birds are awesome. And that's the backpack that's carrying all our stuff. And this
Stripping on the spot.
and this are frappuccinos. And we're gonna pour these on first. What's yours?
Here's mine.
Okay.
Are they gonna stain my white bathing suit?
What?
Is it gonna stain my white bathing suit?
I don't. Oh, so true.
Oh well. No, I don't care.
Okay. Here, should I go first? Wait.
See those birds? Ooh, they're walking. They see the
That's my
food. They spot the food. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They can sense these things.
Okay.
Red vines.
I got it. I'm done.
Oh crap! Should we do it on my towel?
Oh shoot. First we need to move the towel.
Here, just go like lay down in the sand right there, and then like pour it on yourself.
Okay.
Here, let's just lay in the sand while we do this. It'll be easier anyways.
I'm trying to move it up. Okay.
How are we gonna explain why we're sticky to my mama? We'll go in the ocean afterwards.
Yeah. First. Here, you have to go next.
Wait, are you feeding? Oh, okay. You look really bronze. You don't have to watch me. Be careful.
Okay, now she needs
You
to.
don't get tan with this.
How long does it record?
For a long time.
Okay.
I need to be careful because. Okay.
Now she's going on hers. Okay, pour it on.
This is a delicate matter.
Okay. Hurry. Do it. No, please. It went all inside her belly button. Come on, hurry up. Ooh, pour it more. Pour it more. It went inside her.
It likes me. So
Pour it all at once. It's a lot better.
Now are we gonna get the food, smart one?
You hold it. I'll get it.
It's like on my belly button. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, next Doritos.
Yeah, the Doritos.
Okay. You have to like crunch it.
The guys in lifeguards like, what the
Yummy. Okay. Don't put them all on me. No, the birds will go after me.
Oh, we need to go near the birds. The birds are over there.
Crap. Here, go like make a trail of chips.
Okay, I'm gonna go make a trail of chips.
Wait, then what am I supposed to do in the meantime?
Take me.
Look at those attractive strokes. An inside joke. Alright, okay, so I smell like Coca-Cola now, and I have chip on my tummy, and I have espresso on my legs, and I have coffee on my bathing suit, which is white, and I have chip like getting all wet from all the condensation in my belly button. It's intense. Oh yeah, it's intense. And look, it has like green and red spots on it, and then it's like a yellowish color.
We're not supposed to feed the birds. We're not The birds aren't gonna get us. The guy's gonna get really mad because we're not supposed to feed the birdies.
Somebody said?
Okay, no. Okay. Birds are coming in.
Hopefully.
So we have to stay still.
But they're good. Hey, you have to put some on yourself! Okay? Know it?
The guy.
Wait, what about all the other food?
Oh, they're eating the chips. chips I left over there.
Okay, let's see here. I don't think this is very
Wait, they're coming. Oh. Oh.
Be very still.
Okay, be still. Be still. Oh. So we're doing this for nothing.
We'll do it for the fun of it.
Okay. No.
We need more food. It's coming. It's coming. Oh my god. Oh, it's flying. Oh my god. It's coming. The Chuckboard chips are coming. Oh my god.
Okay, now be really still. Keep your still. It's coming. It's coming. Be really still, okay? Be really still.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's gonna follow the trail.
Oh my god. No, don't get up. Oh crap.
Get up, be really still, as still as you can, okay?
Oh my god. Am I getting this? Okay, I'm getting this. Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
Be really still, okay?
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. I try not to laugh. Look at, they're all going insane. That's where we just were. They're like waiting for us to leave.
My god, you stupid little birds.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Should I go after him?
Yeah. Well, don't leave me here while you're
Okay,
tying
am I
my
done?
shirt. Yeah, you're done. Yes, this was the best ever.
Okay.
All right.
Now it's waiting you run out. Is it still videotaping?
Yeah. I started it.
Okay, wait till they all get there. These birds are insane.
Crazy. Come on, birdies.
I'm gonna wait till they all get here. They're all cautiously coming.
There was a lifeguard earlier. They like freaked out.
Yeah,
Obviously.
the lifeguard even stopped and stared at us.
For like 2 minutes.
Yeah, we almost got arrested.
We're breaking the law.
Breaking the law.
Can I just like go run at them right now?
Yes.